That y'all know, right? We're gonna shorten that up massively. That boy about a foot tall. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Well. Ratfink. Mm-hmm. Steeda. Mm-hmm. Steeda. Steeda.
Houston engine hoist. Or not, I'm sorry.
Kooks 1 7/8 long tubes with off-road connection. Shouldn't have to explain what off-road means to you. If you know, then you know. Look at that.
They come out.
Right.
Johnny 5 disassembly.
Johnny 5. Yeah, buddy. All right. So we're about to put our X-SPEC shifter in. Got that taken care of. Rob is pretty much dyno-matting up the whole transmodded part. It's supposed to go on there. And keep down on those vibrations and all the noise. A little bit, I guess. Little details, yeah, exactly. Look at this. I mean, that's just amazing. Look at that.
I don't even think you're supposed to put it on now.
Yeah, that's all right, but we got enough of it to make it happen. Got a little Loctite going on there. Dope. There we go. See that part right there? Mounted to the transmission.
You gotta say, nobody else works here anymore.
Just you. Back to the good old legendary folks. The people that's been here.
I don't mind.
You probably like that better.
I do.
Yeah, because that way you ain't got to try to run up behind nobody and be telling people what to do and getting annoyed. I understand. Right.
Which actually doesn't even make a difference because it's the rod inside.
Right. So if you all can see that, we actually got the shifter in now. It's able to pull the exhaust to the side a little bit, slide it right in there. Went in like butter. Everything's on the up and up. Getting it back up. About with the tricks. The little block of wood to keep the drive shaft up. Drive shaft like 1,000 pounds.
It is. Nobody seems to do. So what you have to do
Okay.
So it's always going to be in the center.
Look how short that is.
You got to find first. Now, see this gap right here?
Yes.
That's got to go away.
Got you. So that you know that you're in there. Ain't nothing else over there. Otherwise, I ain't going to get in first, right? That's what you're telling me. Because I'm going to think that it's all the way over to the side. Exactly. Ah. This drive home is going to be interesting.
And then reverse. Because that piece goes under.
Oh, it goes under that plate. Okay. So when you're in neutral, you automatically start pushing it down in order to get into reverse.
Yeah, so you have to, most important thing is that this.
Okay, yeah. First, second, yeah.
Once you get it, some people just assume they come from the factory set up.
No, they don't. Ooh, look at that boy shifting. Gotcha.
It's easier when the ball's
Gotcha.
on
Okay. Okay.
But yeah, this is just as hard as you can.
You can't. Okay. In first, second. Okay. Okay.
And then for third, don't try and put it in third.
Just push. Ooh, look at that.
You can see the gap is there.
Gotcha. So you know you're in third. Okay.
That's first.
All the way over. Yeah.
Keep holding it over.
Third.
Fourth.
Listen at that short shift. Angle. Yep. And then I'm not gonna be in sixth gear too often. I mean, it's just there's really no reason to go in sixth gear that often.
Otherwise. Try and get the whole boot on one piece.
Okay, okay. We gotta get that boot to come down and go over the bottom of the actual shifter. Oh yeah.
You gotta plug that in. You don't plug that in, the car don't start.
Really?
Because that's what recognizes the key. That's why when your key goes bad, they tell you to put it here. That's the
Oh,
antenna.
I got you. Or when you get ready to change the mic key and change the settings, you gotta put it in there too. Nice. Nice little MGW. Look how much lower it sits than that other one we had in there. That's just crazy.